Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Manoj here, a product manager and content creator. I think one of the most common questions I get is how to choose a product management course and which is the best product management course. And that's what we are going to see in this video. This video is broken down into two parts. So in the first part, I'll tell you how to choose a product management course, what are the parameters you should look at. And in the second part, we'll talk about a placement guarantee program in product management, which means if you don't get placed, you will get your course fees back. Interesting, right? Let's get into the video. So I think first one, how to choose a product management course. The first parameter to look at is, do they start from basics, right? Do they start from foundation? Which means whenever you are learning something new, you want to learn it from scratch, right? So understand that, are they starting from basics? Are they covering basics, right? Even though if you don't have any experience in that field, will you be able to understand? Second, are these taught by specialized instructors? This is very important, which means product management is a generalist field, right? So you will learn design, data, MVP, and much more. For example, if you're learning about product analytics or data, you should learn it from a PM who is working in an established firm like Amazon, Swiggy, who are handling millions of transactions and doing data-driven decision making on their day-to-day basis, right? Rather than learning from a PM working in a small startup. Similarly, if you're learning MVP, that is building the first version of the product, you should learn it from a PM working in a startup, right? Most of the courses are taught by one person. How can one person be a specialist in all? Yes, they can, but let's say if you learn from a specialist, you will learn more. The third important thing is the course updated? Right? Nowadays, lot of things are changing. Is the course up to date? Do they cover AI tools? Do they cover Gen AI, LLMs and the new technologies that are coming? The fourth thing is, at least in product management, learning product management versus cracking interviews are two different games together. So, do they teach product management and interview prep separately? Do they have mock interview practice? Do they have practice tools which will help you to prepare for interview? Fifth one, how is the cohort and the cost of the course, which is also one of the important things. Sixth one is, do they offer placement assistance? Will you get placement assistance if you complete the course? Because getting that first job is very difficult in any field, right? So now the most important thing, let's get into the second part. This is about Internshala's Placement Guarantee Product Management Program. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of what the program is and what does placement guarantee here means. So first, placement guarantee here means if you don't get a job or internship, right, you will get your money back. So now let's see about the course. Yeah, so I'm going to talk about the Internshala's Placement Guarantee Program in Product Management. You get government certification and it's also AI powered and it's up to date. So you get a confirmed total stipend of 35,000. If you don't get it, you will get your entire course fees of 32,500 back if you're not hired, right? So they have placed a lot of students already. Someone got a highest stipend of 83,000 rupees a month. They have 750 plus internships with placement offers, and their highest salary was 11 LPA offered after the post internship, right? And the most important part is taught by top industry experts, people working in Microsoft, Big Shift, people working in Infosys, people working in Geo, right? So it gives you a complete expert view. So it's taught by multiple experts, and there's a separate expert, Ayush Mittal, who will help you in interview prep, right? That's interesting. And next, how you'll get placement guarantee, right? So first you go from beginner to pro in 5 months. So you'll have live and on-demand sessions. You will learn about the latest AI tools and you will do industry level projects. And in placement ready, you will have soft skills training, you will have cover letter and resume preparation. They have a separate placement team to guide you. And you will also have AI powered mock interview practice. And the guaranteed placement program, you will get AI driven practice interview and you get personalized 1:1 resume vetting session, which is really great. And you will get ISBoost, which is Internshala's booth worth rupees 12,000 completely for free, which means on the platform, you will get higher visibility in front of companies and access to top brands and high paying jobs. They also have a placement report. We can just go through that placement report. Right? So they have made 600 plus placements today and from 400 plus brands. And if I just go, they have a separate placement team and this is their batch demographic, right? They have a lot of freshers. 85% of them are freshers. 0 to 1 year experience are 10%. 2+ years are 5%. And people from all over India are joining, right? And their placement stats, 11 LPA highest CTC offer, 4.1 LPA is the average CTC offer, and there are 400 plus brands they have tied up with and 50 plus big brands. So these are the industries where the learners have got placed, right? So and all the criteria, they have received more than 4-star rating from 900 plus learners, and these are the bigger brands that are hiring from Internshala. These are the top recruiters like big companies like Unilever, Go Mechanic, Times Internet, Sapient, and much, Flipkart. And you get also government certification, which is the most important part from the National Skill Development Corporation and Skill India, apart from the Internshala certificate. So these are some learners who got placed. So Lalit, who got placed as a product manager at Talview, Shashank, who got placed as a product intern, and much. Let's get back to the course review, right? So yeah, so the learners got placed in eMotra, Talview, Infinix, and much more. And once you complete the course, you can try to become a PM, you can try to become a APM, you can also try parts like product marketing manager. And regarding certification is something we already discussed. And in this product management placement guarantee course, you have 200 hours of learning, 6 courses, 8 projects, and 3 AI powered tools. And let's walk through the curriculum quickly, right? First, they talk about product management fundamentals. So here you will do a project where you do consumer and market research to understand if metaverse is a future of education, right? And even the projects are like futuristic. Next, the product design. In product design, you will learn about what is product design, design thinking, sprint planning, popular design tools, right? And you will design a mentorship feature for LinkedIn. Next is product development lifecycle. So this is the most important part where you are executing the product, you are working with developers. So here you will learn about agile methodology, communicating requirements to developers. How do you plan sprint? That is the task. How do you assign it to developers? So they also talk about a tool known as Jira, which is the most famous project management tool used in the industry. In this, you will draft PRDs and user stories for launching monetization features of WhatsApp. Next is the product analytics, which is the most important part, right? Once you launch the product, right, you have to measure, is it performing right or not? So in this, you will learn about product metrics, like what are the common product metrics? What are the popular frameworks to set metrics? What are product analytics tools and how to set it up? SQL for product managers, right? SQL is used to interact with the database and get the right data you want, and other product analytics too. So here you will prepare a dashboard of metrics you will be tracking for a successful launch of new social media app. Next is product marketing. So once you have launched the product, it's very important to take it in the hands of the user. If no one is using, you will not become successful, right? So product marketing is very, very important thing. So here you will mainly learn about go-to-market strategy, pricing model, and monetization, and PLG, which is one of the most famous topics, product-led growth, which means your product drives the acquisition. Here you will draft acquisition and engagement product strategy for Amazon Music. Then tech for non-tech team. Understanding basics of technology is very important. You don't need to know how to write to code, right? But you need to understand how the technology works. So basics of technology so you can communicate better with developers, right? Here you will build multiple projects. You'll identify use cases in machine learning to make your daily life easier, build for Bharat challenge. You'll choose a popular foreign app and build the Indian version of it. That's great, right? Not only that, you have the chance to learn the latest AI tools, ChatGPT, Gemini, and UISR. And today, if you know AI tools, companies will give you preference. So yeah, the course fees is around 32,500. And if you have any question, feel free to comment it and I'll answer it for you. Thanks a lot for watching this video, right? And I think the most common thing I've felt is getting that first job or internship is very hard. And Internshala is giving you an opportunity with the help of their placement guarantee program to get placed, to learn and get placed as a product manager. Do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The course link is attached in the description and in the first comment. Thank you and have a nice day.